What separates an average boxer from a great one? It's not just punching power, it's footwork. Think about fighters like Lomachenko, Ali, or Mayweather. Their ability to control space, create angles, and make opponents miss wasn't magic. It was refined footwork. In this video, I'll show you the key principles, the best drills, and a simple 4-week plan you can start today to move like the pros. Whether you're a beginner or already sparring, mastering these essentials will change how you fight. Section 1. Why footwork matters. Footwork isn't about looking flashy, it's survival. It's defense. The quicker you can step out of range, the less punches you eat. It's offense. Footwork sets up your punches, opens angles, and creates opportunities. It's stamina. Poor footwork wastes energy and gets you tired. Smart footwork conserves it. Example. Think of Lomachenko. He doesn't just punch, he dances around opponents, steps to their blind side, and lands clean shots they never see coming. That's the power of agility and ring IQ through footwork. Section 2. Core principles. Before we get to the drills, let's lay down the golden rules of boxing footwork. Stay light on your feet, always on the balls of your feet, not flat. Maintain your stance. Shoulder width, knees bent, guard up. Move in small steps. No lunges, no crossing your feet. Control is everything. Guard stays up, always. Moving doesn't mean dropping your defense. Consistency builds mastery. Repetition is the only way it becomes natural. Do you struggle more with staying balanced while punching or moving quickly without losing guard? Drop your answer below. I'll help in the comments. Section 3. Top drills. Now, let's break down the best drills you can do at home or in the gym. Shadow boxing with movement. Shadow box, but don't just throw hands, add steps forward, back, side to side. Visualize an opponent. Think rhythm, flow, and balance. 2. Agility ladder drills. Use a ladder for in and outs, side shuffles, high knees. It sharpens foot speed and coordination. 3. Cone or dot drills. Set up cones or markers. Move through them in stance, forward, diagonal, lateral. Builds awareness and agility. Jump rope workouts. Jump rope is the classic boxer's tool. Add side hops, backward skips, and high knees to mimic fight movement while conditioning your legs. Pivot and circle drills. Pick a point, pivot around it, circle left or right. This trains angles so you're not always in front of your opponent. 6. Partner mirror drills. With a partner, copy each other's movements in real time. It forces adaptability and sharpens reactions. 7. Combine footwork with punches. Step with the jab, retreat with a cross, pivot into a hook. This makes your footwork realistic. Movement tied to strikes. 8. Plyometric footwork. Box jumps, ladder hops, tire drills. These build explosive. Leg power for faster, sharper movement. Engagement. Which of these drills do you already do? Which one do you want me to break down in a separate tutorial? Let me know. Section 4. Pro Insights. Here's what experienced fighters say. Shadowboxing is gold. Do 30 minutes each session, focus on patterns. Jump rope in motion, forward, backward, sideways. Footwork will improve fast. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Master basics, speed will come naturally. That last one is huge. Don't rush it. Smooth movement builds into speed. Rushed movement breaks your balance. Section 5. 4-week beginner plan. Here's a simple progression if you're starting fresh. Week 1, shadow boxing, plus stance drills, 10 min daily. Week 2, add ladder drills, plus jump rope, 3 guys 1 min each. Week 3, add cones, plus pivoting, 3 guys 1 min week. 4, combine with punches and mirror drills. Train 3 to 5 times per week, 10-20 minutes per session. Record yourself. Watching playback shows mistakes you can't feel in the moment. Gradually increase speed, but precision always comes first. So let's recap. Stay light, balanced, and in stance. Drill consistently. Shadow boxing, ladder work, pivots, jump rope. Use a structured plan and record yourself for feedback. Master these, and your footwork will turn you from predictable to untouchable. Now it's your turn. Which footwork drill are you starting with today? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more fight tutorials, hit subscribe, share this video with your training partners, and I'll see you in the next one.